Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the OWC 64GB DDR4 ECC registered RDIMM, a memory upgrade designed to breathe new life into your workstations and servers. This module is specifically made as a replacement for Supermicro part numbers MEM, DR464MC, ER32, and MEM, DR464L, CL05, ER32. So if you're running Supermicro hardware, this could be a fantastic option. It's important to note right off the bat that this isn't your everyday desktop RAM. This is ECC registered memory, which means it's designed for the demanding workloads of servers and workstations. ECC, or error correcting code, memory can detect and correct common types of internal data corruption, which is crucial for maintaining stability and preventing crashes in critical applications. Registered memory includes a register between the RAM and the system's memory controller, which helps stabilize signals and allows for higher memory capacities. Because of these features, it is not compatible with standard desktop computers, and you absolutely cannot mix it with unbuffered memory. The OWC module operates at 3200 MHz, PC4-25600, and is a 288-pin RDIMM with a 2RX4 configuration running at a low 1.2V. This ensures it meets the power efficiency demands of modern servers while delivering solid performance. OWC emphasizes that this memory is 100% compliant with JEDEC standards and is RoHS compliant, giving you peace of mind about its quality and environmental impact. They also state it's a warranty-safe upgrade, designed and tested to meet or exceed all manufacturer OEM specifications. One of the biggest advantages of using OWC's ECC registered server memory is the potential to extend the lifespan of your existing infrastructure. Instead of replacing entire servers, you can upgrade the memory and get a significant performance boost, saving you money in the long run. Or, if you're building a new server, this memory can be a cost-effective way to maximize its capabilities. OWC also stands behind their products with an industry-leading advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty. This includes free tech support, which can be invaluable if you run into any issues during installation or operation. In summary, the OWC 64GB DDR4 ECC registered RDIMM is a solid choice for upgrading or building servers and workstations that require high-capacity, reliable memory. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your system before purchasing, as ECC registered memory has specific requirements. If it's the right fit for your needs, this module offers a blend of performance, reliability, and OWC's excellent support.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.